हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम बैंगलोर से थोड़ी दूर कोलार जा रहे हैं और वी आर ट्राइंग टू कवर 3 प्लेसेस। वन इज़ अंतरगंगे, the second being the Avni Sita temple, and the third Kotilingeshwar. So Antargange is around 70 kilometers from here. So let's see how much we can cover and how much I can show you. So friends, we have stopped at a petrol pump for some petrol and obviously some coffee. So we are just waiting for the coffee. So friends, Antargange is quite famous for trekking, and many companies arrange trekking trips to Antargange, something like Trilophalia and other companies also. So these are organized trekking trips, but like you can go on your own also. So friends, we have started the Antargange trek and there are around 300 to 350 steps and we'll reach the temple. So this place is also called the Dakshin Kashi, Kashi of the South, and this place has lots and lots of monkeys, so you really need to be careful. So in this trek I've been joined by my friend Neha. Say hi, Neha. And here's my husband with a stick for the monkeys. So that's my friend Neha with a stick for the monkeys. So it's a long trek to the mountain, and first we'll go to the temple and then the caves. Now these caves, there are many types of natural caves here. These caves have been formed over the years and people love exploring the caves. So friends, this is the pond that surrounds the temple. So friends, this is a 2500 years old temple built in the Dwapar Yuga. This is the point, friends, from where when you enter you can reach the water spring. तो चलिए वहाँ चलते हैं. So friends, now we are entering the water source. तो देखिए, जो पानी यहाँ से गिर रहा है नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, ये एक स्प्रिंग वाटर है एंड पीपल फिल इट इन बॉटल्स एंड दे से इट्स वेरी मेडिसिनल. दिस सेम वाटर इज एंटरिंग दिस पॉन्ड. दिस पाथ बिहाइंड द टेम्पल लीड्स टू द रियल ट्रेकिंग एरिया, और यही रास्ता हमें केव्स की तरफ भी ले जाता है. You can see how steep it is, but मज़ा आ रहा है. This is the view from almost, we are halfway to the top. A trek party moving ahead and clicking pics. So we are almost at the top, and in 5 minutes we'll reach the top. And you can see these are the natural rocks or boulders, and everywhere you'll find these boulders and volcanic rocks, and these volcanic rocks form the natural caves. So there are two types of caves, water cave and a dry cave. So friends, Antargange is on a hillock, and the hill has around 7 villages, and it is surrounded by rocks and caves. This is a very quiet and secluded place, and it's good for a family picnic or trek. And so now our trekking party is tired, so we are planning to go down. So finally we are back, we are down, and it was a difficult trek. In fact, even more difficult than Godibande trek. So now we have finished our trek to Antargange, and we are moving towards a small village called Avani, which is around 30 kilometers from this place, Antargange, and it is also well known for trekking. So जैसे हम अंतरगंगे को दक्षिण काशी कहते हैं, वैसे ही इस अवनी सीता टेम्पल को हम गया ऑफ साउथ के नाम से जाना जाता है, और ये बहुत फेमस है. इसका एक सीता टेम्पल है उसके लिए, और भी बहुत टेम्पल्स हैं वहाँ पे. सो द लेजेंड हैज़ इट दैट व्हेन सीता वाज एक्साइल्ड from the kingdom, she came to this place and started residing in Valmiki ashram, and she gave birth to her twin sons Lava and Kush in the Valmiki ashram. Lord Rama also fought a war with his sons Lava and Kush here. So later on Valmiki came and told Lord Rama that Lava and Kush were his sons, and then Lord Rama built some temples and installed Shivlingams in them to get rid of the sins he had committed by fighting a war with his sons. One of the few Sita temples in India, and many people visit this temple. Mostly a childless couple, they come for the blessings from Sita so that they are blessed with a child. This place is also famous for rock climbing. So let's go and see what all we can see there. So friends, this is a beautiful secluded place, and अभी हम जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कहीं बैठ के लंच खाएंगे. So we are here at Avni Sita temple, and down there you can see the Ram temple down there, and Sita temple is uphill there on the top. So अब हम पहले लंच खाएंगे, and then we will go to both the temples. So friends, we are ready for the lunch. So we have finished our lunch, and now we will be moving up to see the Sita Mandir temple and also the Ram temple. So this is the Ram Lingeshwar temple. this temple is Lakshman Lingeshwar temple. It's a huge ling sthapit by Lakshmana. So these are very old temples built in 10th century by Chola dynasty, and there are 4 main temples: Ramalingeshwara temple, Lakshman Lingeshwara temple, Bharat Lingeshwara temple and Shatrughan Lingeshwara temple. Here shivlings have been installed by Lord Rama, Bharat, Shatrughan and Lakshman. The architecture is very old and belongs to the Chola period. So the Ram Mandir is down here and the Sita temple is on top. So now we are heading up. There are around 13 temples here, and the Sita Mata temple is on top. There's a Sita Parvati temple also. Chalo, let's start trekking up. Actually, it's so beautiful from here. From here you can see how steep it is, and our trek party is coming up. All of them are trying to pick up the mountain. देखिए, ये लग रहा है बड़ा सा पत्थर दूसरे पत्थर के ऊपर गिरा है, and the other rock is holding on to this rock. 14 temples, and you can see. So these are the other temples. This is a natural pond here. You can see the Sita Mata temple. It's quite far off. It's around 1 hour trek from here. But this place is actually very beautiful, and you should take out some time because the trek takes around 1 to 1.5 hours. So friends, this is a rainwater pond which is formed between rocks, and this is pure rainwater which is collected here. इस जगह का सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि यहाँ पे लव और कुश पैदा हुए थे और वाल्मीकि आश्रम में पले बड़े थे, और बाद में इसी जगह पे उनका लॉर्ड रामा से वॉर हुआ था, एंड दैट वाज द टाइम दे मेट देयर फादर, एंड देयर फादर केम टू नो दैट ही हैड 2 sons, लव एंड कुश. Party relaxing here. It's been a long day and a long trek. तो हमारी ट्रैकिंग पार्टी थक हार के बैठी हुई है एंड अब रेस्ट कर रही है. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग ट्रैक, आई थिंक द होल डे वी हैव ट्रैक ना. अब थक गए, अब ऊपर नहीं जा सकते और बट इट वाज अ लवली डे. So friends, we are moving towards our last destination, that is Koti Lingeshwara temple. As you know, Koti means crore, so there are around 1 crore shivlings there. So इस मंदिर में आपको बहुत सारे शिवलिंग दिखेंगे. 3 फीट से 1 फीट तक की साइज़ के शिवलिंग मिलेंगे, और जो सबसे बड़ा स्टैचू है वो है अराउंड 108 फीट टॉल, एंड देयर आर अराउंड 13 टेम्पल्स इन द प्रेमिसेस. So let's go and see. So friends, we are at the Koti Lingeshwar temple, and as you can see, there are around thousands and thousands of shivlings here. You can see so many shivlings are there, और यहाँ पे most of the shivlings की पूजा की गई है. बहुत ही सुंदर टेंपल है। ये शिवलिंग दान कर सकता है, यहाँ आके पूजा करा के अपनी मनोकामना पूरी होने पर यहाँ पे शिवलिंग की स्थापना करा सकता है। तो देखिए कितना बड़ा शिवलिंग है वहाँ पे। और ये टेंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स, ये काफ़ी बड़ा शिवलिंग है यहाँ पे और छोटे छोटे टेंपल्स हैं। सो द टेंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। सो ये करीबन 90 लाख से भी ज़्यादा शिवलिंगम है जो काफ़ी सालों से स्थापित किए गए हैं। तो ये है सबसे बड़ा शिवलिंग और ये है साथ में नंदी गाय उसी के सामने। So friends, it's 7:30 p.m. and we are heading back to Bangalore, and we finished our day trip today, and it was so exciting with lots of trekking and temples. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and till we meet again, keep safe and be happy and enjoy life.